Hello YouTube, today I will be unboxing the JJRC H48 from GeekBuying. Now let's see what we have inside. First we have a short manual, not that interesting. Next we have the little quad itself. It comes with a rather small 100 mAh battery already attached to the bottom of it. Let's move on to the controller. The controller seems rather basic. As you already understand by looking at the two LEDs at the front of the transmitter, the quad is controlled by infrared and not by 2.4 GHz. At the back of the quad you can clearly see the infrared receiver. The transmitter runs on 4 AA batteries. To understand the size of the quad, here it is next to the Red Pause R10. Since this is an infrared quad, I would expect it to have limited range, be hard to control outside in a bright environment, and also the controller should be in constant line of sight with the quad. So that's all for now. Bye.